Another tip, if you are an event planner and you are given an event to plan, please understand that light is a very powerful tool in an event. Don't come and just be giving us one green light or one harsh blue light to spoil our pictures. And know how to direct your light. If you direct your light very well, it will help our pictures. Then for you photographers, when you jam a situation where the light is not popping very well and you want to snap people, try and position yourself where that light can just be as a backlight or something instead of spoiling your picture. Don't go and quarrel event planner, decorator, anything, because a lot of times this event that we go to, it is the decorators that comes with their lights. So when the decorators come with their lights, they just have to just put in what they have, and a lot of them, they are not colorists or they don't even understand light, so they cannot be giving you what they don't know how to do. They will just give you what they feel like is best. So if this video has helped you, do well to give me a thumbs up and follow and share this video. Thank you and God bless you.